Shirley. Today I will discuss you what is a big data. Big data is a popular term used to describe the exponential growth and availability of data. Both structured and unstructured and big data may be as important to business and society. As the internet has become wide, more data may lead to more accurate analysis. As far back as 2001, industry analyst Doug Lenny, currently with Gartner, articulated the most main interest description of big data as that there are three types of big data: the volume, velocity, and variety. Let's go to volume. What is volume? Volume many factors contribute to the increase of data volume. Transaction data stored through the years. Unstructured data streaming in from social media. Increasing amount of sensor and machine-to-machine based data being collected. In the past, excessive data volume has storage issues. Velocity. Data is streaming as an unprecedented speed and most of deals with a timely manner. RFID tag sensor and smart metering are driving the needs of deals with torrents and data in near real time. Reacting quickly enough to deal with data velocity as a challenge must be organization. Variety. Data today comes in all types of formats. Structured, numeric data, and in traditional basis information create from line of business application. Unstructured texting document such as email, video, audio, stock, ticket data, and financial transaction. Managing, merging, and governing different varieties of data is sometimes many organizations well grappled with. There are also two kinds of SaaS. We consider two additional dimension with thinking about big data. Variability. In variability, additional to the increasing velocities and varieties of data flows come highly consistent with periodic peaks is something trading in social media, daily, seasonal, and event big data load can be challenging of manner. The second one is complexity. Today's data comes from multiple sources, and it is still an undertaking. So the link and the match, the cleanse and transform data across systems. However, it is necessary to connect the relationship between multiple data links, or your data can quickly spiral out of control. So that is all about of big data.
I discussed to you about the why big data should matter to you. Big data is not you are acquiring large amounts of deep it with the data that counts. The hopeful vision is that organization will be able to take data from any source, harness relevant data and analyze it is to find answer and enable the cost reductions, time reductions, new product development, and optimize offering, and the lastly, smarter business. So I discussing about the instant by combining big data and highly powered analytic about the business. So one, determine root causes of failures, issues, and defects in near time and potentially saving billions of dollars annually. Second, optimize routes for many thousands of packages that delivery vehicles while they are in the road. 3. Analyze millions of SKU to determine price that maximize profit and clear inventory. And then generate retail coupons that point of sale based on the customer current and past purchases. So that send tailored recommendation to mobile devices while customer are the right area to take advantage of two offers. And recalculate entire rest portfolios in minutes, and quickly identify customer who matter the most. Then lastly, use clickstream analysis and data mining to detect fraudulent behavior. So that's the possible business in this industry.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ms. Gomez. I will be discussing about the big data. Lately, big data it is already discussed by my classmate, and this is a big data in action. Okay. The perspective in UPS. UPS is no stranger to big data, having begun to create and to capture and track a variety of package movements and transactions as early as 1980s. The company now tracks data on 16.3 million packages per day for 8 million customers, with an average of 39 million tracking requests for customers per day. The company stores more than 16 petabytes of data.
Okay,
Much of its recently acquired big data, however, comes from the telematic sensors in more than 46 vehicles. The data on UPS trucks, for example, it includes their speed, their direction, their braking, and drive train performance. They have called this initiative Orion, or On-Road Integration Optimization and Navigation. It is arguably the world's largest operation research project. It also relies heavily on online map data and will eventually reconfigure a driver's pickups and drop-offs in real time. In savings in big data, the project has already led to savings in 2011, or of more than 8.4 million gallons of fuel by cutting 85 million miles of daily routes. And UPS estimates that saving only one daily mile per driver saves the company $30 million. So the overall dollar savings are substantial. The company is also attempting to use the data and analytics to optimize the efficiency of its 2,000 aircraft flights per day. And the next question about the big data. Where is the big data coming from? But before you begin to make sense about the data, about your data, it is important to know its origins. The source of big data are increasingly every year, but they generally fall into one of three categories. These are the streaming data, social media data, publicly available sources. The first one is the streaming data, or it is called the Internet of Things. This includes the data that reaches your IT systems from a web to connected to your device. The organization can analyze the data as it arrives and make decisions on what data to keep, what not to keep, and what requires further analysis. The second one is the social media data. The data on social interaction is increasingly attractive set of information, particularly for marketing, sales, and support functions. This data is often unstructured or semi-structured forms, should say. So besides the sheer of size of data, it possesses a unique challenge when consuming and analyzing this information. And lastly, it is the publicly available sources. It is massive amounts of data is available through open data source like US government data.gov, the CIA World Factbook, or the European Union Open Data Portal. Learn how SAS is helping people visualize the 300 million rows of global UN trade data. And that's all the where the big data come from. The three categories, which are I will say it again: the streaming data, the social media data, and the publicly available sources. Thank you.